short while now, we will start our program. So till then, we will be waiting for our honorable guest. In a short while, we will start the program. Thank you, Jai Ram Krishna. Darjeeling, a legacy of excellence 100 years and beyond. Jai Ram Krishna, and a very good morning to one and all present here, our distinguished guest, ladies and gentlemen, honorable teachers and dear students. It is our immense pleasure to be a part of this historic event, centenary celebration of Ramakrishna Vedanta Ashram, Darjeeling, which is the branch center of Ramakrishna Vedanta Kolkata, founded by Swami Abhedananda Maharaj, a direct disciple of Sri Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa Deva and brother disciple of Srimad Swami Vivekananda Maharaj. Ramakrishna Vedanta Ashram was founded by Srimad Swami, which marks the 100 years of having an ethical background in the spiritual and social arena. The glory that the ashram holds today is a testament to the esteemed founder members right from the conception of the ashram to its present state. We express our heartfelt gratitude to one and all who have provided the smallest of contribution for the upliftment of this ashram. Now, thanking once again to all and once again welcome you all. Now we will proceed towards our program and to declare the president of today's program, we have Swami Atmabodhananda Ji Maharaj, General Secretary Ramakrishna Vedanta Math Kolkata, and the editor of Vishwavani, a monthly journal, Ramakrishna Vedanta Math. So Maharaj will preside the program. We will give a big hand to our President Maharaj, President of today's event. And I would like to declare the chief guest of today's program is Mr. Anit Thapa, Honorable Chief of Gorkhaland Territorial Administration. We will wait for him. And as the guest of honor, we have Dr. Priti Goyal, District Magistrate, Darjeeling. Madam will be arriving, so we will wait for Madam too. And as other guest of honor, we have here Swami Susanta Nandaji Maharaj, Ramakrishna Vedanta Math, and I would like to mention here that Maharaj has served this ashram for 40 years as Pujari Maharaj. And our next guest of honor is Swami Abhedananda Ji Maharaj, Secretary Ramakrishna Vedanta Ashram, Darjeeling, and as well as Karshiong, Swami Amalananda Ji Maharaj. We welcome all of our distinguished guests. Now, we will proceed towards our main program and we will start with Vedic chanting, and for this we request the sadhus and brahmacharis of Ramakrishna Vedanta Ashram, Darjeeling. We request them for Vedic chanting.
Om Shri Guru Namaha. Om Shahana Vavatu Shahano Bhunaktu Shahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvi Navadhetamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shangno Mitra Shang Varuna Shangno Bhavattaryama Shangno Indro Brihaspati Shangno Vishnu Rukramaha. Namo Brahmane Namaste Vaya Tvameva Prataksham Brahmasi Tvameva Prataksham Brahma Vadishyami Ritam Vadishyami Shakti तं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पक्षे माक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः तुष्टुभागं शस्तनूभिः व्यसेमयैव हितं यदायुः स्वस्ति नो इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्तिर्नस्ताक्षो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ तच्छयोराविनीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये देवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं शं नो वस्तद्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ वाङ्मे मनसि प्रतिष्ठिता मनो मे वाचि प्रतिष्ठितम् आविराविर्महेधि वेदस्य आनीता श्रुतं मे मा प्रहासि अनीनेन धाति होरात्रान् संदधामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि नामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ तत्सत् श्रीरामकृष्णार्पणमस्तु
Mantra. We hope this has purified the atmosphere of the auditorium. Now, next, we will felicitate our distinguished guest upon the stage. And for this, we would like to request Swami Jyotirmayanandaji Maharaj and volunteers of the ashram. So first, we would like to felicitate our President Maharaj by offering khada and putting chandan tika. So I'll request Swami Jyotirmayanandaji Maharaj and volunteers. So first we will felicitate Swami Atmabodhanandaji Maharaj, who will preside the program. Maharaj is General Secretary of Ramakrishna Vedanta Math, Kolkata, and editor of Vishwavani, a monthly journal of Ramakrishna Vedanta Math. So we will be felicitating our General Secretary, who will preside the program today. Atmabodhanandaji Maharaj, General Secretary, Ramakrishna Vedanta Math, Kolkata, and editor of Vishwavani, a monthly journal of Ramakrishna Vedanta Math. A big clap for our Maharaj who will preside the program. And next we have our guest of honor, Swami Susantanandaji Maharaj, Ramakrishna Vedanta Math. We announced earlier that Maharaj served this ashram for 40 years as Pujari Maharaj. We are very thankful to Maharaj and we welcome you. And we have as our guest of honor, Swami Amalanandaji Maharaj, Secretary Ramakrishna Vedanta Ashram Darjeeling and Vedanta Ashram Kursium. Maharaj is very active and very devoted. We welcome you as guest of honor. Swami Raghavanandaji from Vedanta Ashram Siliguri, we welcome Maharaj as our guest of honor. Swami Vidyanandaji Maharaj from Vedanta Ashram Kolkata, we welcome Maharaj also as our guest of honor. Swami Vidyanandaji Maharaj, AGS from Vedanta Ashram Kolkata, we welcome Maharaj also as guest of honor. We request all the Maharaj. Thank you. Our Maharaj, who will preside the program today, General Secretary Ramakrishna Vedanta Math Kolkata. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी I would like to request Swami Abalananda Maharaj, Secretary Ramakrishna Vedanta Ashram, Darjeeling and Kurseong. We would like to request Swami Amalanandaji Maharaj.
ॐ जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तस्कृत्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। ॐ नमः श्रीज्योतिराजाय विवेकानन्दशूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे। ॐ शस्त्रज्ञाय प्रशान्ताय वेदांत प्रतिपादिने नमस्तु अवैधोपादाय ज्ञान विज्ञान दीप्ताय। पूजनीय गुरु महाराज जी, प्रेसिडेंट महाराज की प्रणाम। ठाकुर मा स्वामी जी, स्वामी अभेदानंद महाराज चरणे साष्टांग प्रणाम। मंचे उपस्थित मठेर जनरल सेक्रेटरी महाराज स्वामी आत्मबोधानंद जी महाराज के साष्टांग प्रणाम। मंचे उपस्थित असिस्टेंट जनरल सेक्रेटरी स्वामी विद्यानंद जी महाराज के हमार सश्रद्धा प्रणाम। मंचे उपस्थित स्वामी राघवानंद महाराज जी, स्वामी सुशानंद महाराज जी के আমার প্রণাম। সবাইকে প্রণাম জানিয়ে ছোট্ট একটি বক্তৃতা, ছোট্ট একটি ওয়েলকাম মেসেজ। Distinguished guests, esteemed members of Ramakrishna Vedanta Ashram and dear friends, I extend a warm welcome to all of you in this momentous occasion of the foundation centenary of Ramakrishna Vedanta Ashram, Darjeeling. As we gather to celebrate 100 years of spiritual growth, service and selfless love, we honor the vision and dedication of the pioneers who laid the foundation of this revered institution. Swami Abhedananda, a direct disciple of Sri Ramakrishna and a key figure in spreading Vedanta globally, played a significant role in shaping the spiritual landscape of our times. His tireless efforts in establishing the Ramakrishna Vedanta Mart in Calcutta and Darjeeling, and his extensive travels to disseminate the teaching of Vedanta worldwide are a testament of his unwavering commitment. As we commemorate this milestone, let us draw inspiration from the timeless teaching of Sri Ramakrishna, Sri Ma Sharada Devi, Sri Swamiji, Sri Swami Abhedananda Maharaj. From the timeless teaching of, may their message of harmony, compassion and selfless service continue guide us on our journey towards spiritual growth and fulfillment. Thank you, and may this centenary celebration mark a new beginning for our ashram filled with hope, love, and devotion. Heartily thanks for your presence on this occasion. Thank you. Thakur Ma Swamiji, Swami Abhedananda Maharaj, bless you all. Thanks.
All of our distinguished guests to kindly keep their mobile phone in silence for the program. The essence of spiritual perfection had been mastered ages ago by the pillars of philosophy of Vedanta. So here our students present the glimpses of it, and for Amrit Vani to present these short glimpses of it, we first request Vipana Mangal of Ramakrishna Higher Secondary School, Karsham, to present her Amrit Vani. Big clap for our student Vipana Mangal.
Sri Sri Ramakrishna Parahansa Deva Amrit Vani. If a mirror is covered with dirt, it won't reflect one face. A man cannot realize his true self unless his heart is pure. Thank you. Jai Ram Krishna, Mome Sasuna. Mome Sasuna. तपाईँहरूको समक्ष श्रीमद् स्वामी विवेकानन्द महाराजको अमृत बानी प्रस्तुत गर्न लागिरहेकी छु। अमृत बानी। हाम्रा विचार हाम्रा प्रतिबिम्ब हुन्, यसै यो विचार शुद्ध राख। धन्यवाद।
Personality, so we have to be very careful about our thoughts. If our thoughts are clear, then we are clear in front of the world. So thank you, Melissa Sunar, for this beautiful Amritvani. And now, to make this occasion more cheerful, here we have dance by our students. So I would like to call Nishma Bomjan and Yogina Sharma for their dance.
नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते।
Thank you, Nisma Tamang and Yogina Sharma, for this beautiful dance. And And now here, I would like to call Swami Susantanandaji Maharaj, Ramakrishna Vedanta Math, Kolkata, to say a few words on this auspicious occasion. So please, Swami Susantanandaji Maharaj, we would like to call you on this dais.
ॐ स्तवगायस्य धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय ते नमः। ॐ जननी शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयोः स्थित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। ॐ नमो श्रीज्योतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरय सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे। ॐ शास्त्रोज्ञाय प्रशान्ताय वेदान्तप्रतिपादिने नमस्तु अवेदपादाय জ্ঞান-বিজ্ঞান-বিদ্যায়। আজ এখানে আপনারা এসেছেন এই শুভ দিনে, শুভক্ষণে, সুন্দর দিনে শ্রীমৎ স্বামী অভেদানন্দজি মহারাজের 100তম এই আপনাদের দার্জিলিং রামকৃষ্ণ বেদান্ত মঠ, সেইখানে আপনাদের সঙ্গে এই শরীরটাও 40 বছর 45 বছর থেকে গেছে, আপনাদের সঙ্গেও করে গেছেন এখানেতে, এখন কলকাতাতে আছেন। এই তা প্রথমেতেই আমি আমার ঠাকুরমা স্বামীজিকে প্রণাম জানাচ্ছি, শত সহস্র প্রণাম, এবং এখানে স্বামীজি যারা রয়েছেন এবং যারা ভক্তরা রয়েছেন সকলকেই প্রণাম, সকলকেই প্রণাম জানাই। তা যাই হোক, এই অভেদানন্দজি মহারাজের আশ্রমেতে তিনি ঠাকুরের দীক্ষিত সন্তান, ঠাকুরের সঙ্গ করেছেন, ঠাকুরের সেবা করেছেন, এবং আমেরিকাতে দীর্ঘ 25 সাল থাকার ফলে আজও আমি হরলাই হেডু পৌঁছন কারণ দার্জিলিং বাট তিহাই এটা রামকৃষ্ণ বেদান্ত মঠ করে করছন। তাই আজও আমি হরলাই এটা हेर्नु पाउँछ, बस्नु पाउँछ, उनीहरू शुभ सङ्ग गर्नु पाउँछ। आज ठिकै छ, तर हामीहरू सबैलाई श्रद्धा गर्नुपर्छ त्योलाई, आश्रमबाट भगवान् श्री रामकृष्णदेवलाई, अभेदानन्दजी महाराजलाई, स्वामीजीलाई, शारदामालाई, सबैलाई हामीहरूलाई श्रद्धा गर्नुपर्छ। हामीहरूलाई के गर्नुपर्छ, हाम्रो के उचित छ, यो मन्दिरमा आउनुपर्छ, आश्रमको सँग भालोबासा गर्नुपर्छ, प्रेम गर्नुपर्छ, सबैले आउनुपर्छ, टाढोमा हुनु हुँदैन, छाउमा आउनुपर्छ। यता जुन चाहिँ महाराजहरू हुन्छन् उनीहरूसँग बसेर भगवानको प्रवचन गर्नुपर्छ, भजन गर्नुपर्छ, आरती गर्नुपर्छ, पूजा गर्नुपर्छ, सबै मिलेर गर्नुपर्छ। त्योही मेरो सबैको अनुरोध छ। सबैहरू राम्रो बस्नु। धन्यवाद सकलकै, सकलकै आशीर्वाद दिँदैछु, भगवानको शुभेच्छा भालोबासा, सबैले राम्रो बस्नुहोस्, यो हाम्रो प्रार्थना हो।
And we have to follow just now whatever our Susanta Nandaji Maharaj said. So we will be in their footsteps. Thank you, Maharaj, once again. And here again, we are here with Amritvani. So for this birthdays, I would like to call Anisha Kumari from Ramakrishna Higher Secondary School.
Jai Ramakrishna to one. Jai Ramakrishna to one and all present here. I, Anisha Kumari Prasad, would like to present before you an Amrit Bani by Srimad Swami Avedananda Maharaj. Amrit Bani, love for humanity means love for divinity. You cannot love God unless you love humanity. Unless you love your brothers, your love is not acceptable to God. That is the eternal truth. Thank you.
मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम। देखी पर चले और बधी से चले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम। देखी पर चले और बधी से चले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम। इधर तेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा। तेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा। हो रहा बेखबर कुछ ना आता नजर, सुख का सूरज छुपा जा रहा। हे रोशन तेरे दम में हम, तू अमावस को कर दे पूनम। लेकी पर चले और बधी से चले, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ए मालिक तेरे बंदे हम। Thank you so much. Thank you, Mara. Thank you.
Cannot burn without fire, man cannot live without spiritual life. So thank you, Pravina Guruma, for this beautiful spiritual song. And next here we request Swami Vidyanathananda Ji Maharaj, Assistant General Secretary, Vedanta Math, Kolkata, to deliver his speech on this auspicious occasion. Swami Vidyanathananda Ji Maharaj.
नमस्कार। ओम अखंड मंडलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं, तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम निरंजनं नित्यानन्तरूपं, भक्तानुकम्पाधृतविग्रहं वै ईशावतारं परमेशमित्यं तं रामकृष्णं शिरसा नमामः। মঞ্চে উপবিষ্ট সকল সম্মানীয় সাধু মহারাজদের চরণে জানাই প্রণতি। আমার সামনে উপবিষ্ট ভক্তমণ্ডলীকে জানাই আমার হৃদয়ের ভালোবাসা ও নমস্কার। আজকে আমরা এখানে যে এসেছি স্বামী অভেদানন্দ মহারাজের এই যে রামকৃষ্ণ বেদান্ত আশ্রম দার্জিলিং এর শতবর্ষে পদার্পণ উৎসবের জন্যে, এর মূলটা আমায় দেখতে হবে, সেই সময়ে চলে যেতে হবে। মূল দেখতে গেলে স্বামী অভেদানন্দ মহারাজ ঠাকুরের কাছে এসেছিলেন যোগ শিক্ষা করার জন্য। যোগ শিখলেন, তারপর পরিব্রাজক জীবন কাটালেন। কাটিয়ে স্বামীজির অনুরোধে আমেরিকা চলে গেলেন। শুধু আমেরিকা বললে ভুল হবে, সমগ্র ইউরোপ, আমেরিকা, এশিয়া, সারা পৃথিবীতে 25 বছর ধরে বেদান্ত আর সঙ্গে সঙ্গে ভারতীয় সংস্কৃতি তিনি প্রচার করেছিলেন। কেন তখন ভারতের সংস্কৃতি, ভারতের ধর্ম, ভারতের আচার আচরণ সব কিছু নিয়ে খ্রিস্টান ধর্মযাজকরা তাদের মনোমতো করে প্রচার করতেন, যাতে কিনা তারা কিছু টাকা রোজগার করতে পারে এদেশের লোকেদের শিক্ষিত করার জন্য। যে কারণে স্বামীজিকে ঠাকুর পাঠিয়েছিলেন বিদেশে, সেই একই কারণে স্বামীজি অভেদানন্দ মহারাজকে ডেকে পাঠিয়েছিলেন বিদেশে প্রচারের জন্য। তিনি প্রচার করেছিলেন। প্রচারের শেষে তিনি পূজনীয় প্রেসিডেন্ট মহারাজ ব্রহ্মানন্দ মহারাজের কাছে অনুরোধ করেছিলেন, এবারে আমি ভারতে ফিরে যাব। তিনিও ফিরতে বলেছিলেন। তারপর তিনি ভারতে নানা তীর্থ আর হেমিস মঠ, তিব্বত ইত্যাদি ঘুরে তিনি এসেছিলেন দার্জিলিংয়ে। দার্জিলিংয়ে এসে দেখেছিলেন এখানকার মানুষজনের কি দরকার, কিভাবে তাদের উন্নতি সাধন করা যায়। সেই জন্য তিনি এখানে স্কুল করেছিলেন, হোস্টেল করেছিলেন, আর তাদের চারিত্রিক উন্নতি করার জন্য তিনি এখানে ছিলেন। ক বছর ধরে তিনি তাদের ওইসব করেছিলেন, তার চারিত্রিক উন্নতি করার জন্য, শিক্ষার জন্য। তারপর তার শিষ্যদের রেখে দিয়ে যান, যাতে তারা ওইভাবে কাজ করে যায়। ওইভাবে আমরা আজ কাজ করে করে আজ আমরা 100 বছরের পদার্পণের পূর্ণ দিন আমরা সবাই মিলে আজকে যাপন করছি। ঠাকুরের কাছে প্রার্থনা করছি, স্বামীজি অভেদানন্দ, মা সারদা দেবী সকলের কাছে প্রার্থনা করছি, অভেদানন্দ মহারাজ তথা ঠাকুরের যে ইচ্ছা, সেই ইচ্ছা যেন চিরকাল এইখান থেকে চলতে পারে। এই বলে আমি আমার বক্তব্য আজ শেষ করছি।
Heartfelt gratitude to Swami Vidyananda Maharaj Ji, Assistant General Secretary, Ramakrishna Vedanta Math, Kolkata. Yes, we are honored, we are blessed that we had Swami Avidananda Maharaj in our Darjeeling. Swamiji had visited Darjeeling in the year 1937 to insert the deity. And by the time he was in Darjeeling, he imparted the Vedanta philosophy through this center throughout the world. He was the pioneer of girls' education. That's why we have many schools under the wings of Ramakrishna Vedanta Ashram. We are much honored to have such blessings. And thanking once again Vidyanandaji Maharaj. Here I would like to call Anamika Pradhan, student of Ramakrishna High Secondary School Girls Kursion, to present a speech on Swami Avidanandaji Maharaj's spiritual experiences with Lord Sri Sri Ramakrishna Deva Paramhamsa. So we welcome Anamika Pradhan.
Jai Ramakrishna. Good afternoon everyone. I am Anamika Pradhan of class 10B from Sri Ramakrishna High Secondary School, Kershing. Today I would like to share with you the profound of spiritual experiences of Swami Abhedananda with Sri Ramakrishna. Spiritual experiences of Swami Abhedananda with Sri Ramakrishna. Swami Abhedananda's pre-monastic name was Kali Prasad Chandra. In narrating the incident, we shall refer to him as Kali Prasad or Kali. Kali Prasad had studied Wilson's History of India, and there he had learned about Shankaracharya, the great exponent of Vedanta. Shankaracharya's life and work had inspired young Kali Prasad, and henceforth he cherished a desire to become a Pandit and a philosopher like him. He took a drawing class in school, and within a year he excelled. The teacher praised his skills and prophesied a bright future for him. But one day he told the teacher he would not come to the drawing class anymore because he had decided to become a philosopher. Kali's teacher tried to convince him that it is better to become a painter than a philosopher. But Kali replied, "No, sir. A painter studies the surface of a thing, but philosopher goes below the surface and studies the cause of the thing. So, I want to become a philosopher." When he was 14, he found a book copy of Bhagavad Gita in his father's study and began reading it in the dead of the night. He started exploring various other scriptures and was able to grasp the import in no time. The scriptures, however, did not quench Kali's thirst for knowledge, so he desperately searched for his spiritual teacher. So in June 1884, Kali went to Dakshineswar and met Sri Ramakrishna. When he entered Dakshineswar, he felt tremendous peace and joy. When Sri Ramakrishna was arrived, his heart was beating hard. He stood there motionless. After getting down from the carriage, Sri Ramakrishna said, "Kali, Kali, Kali," and entered his room repeating the name of Divine Mother. He entered his room and bowed down to him. The master asked about him and he said, "I have a desire to learn yoga. Will you kindly teach me?" The master kept quiet for a while, then he said, "It is a good sign that you have a desire to learn yoga at this young age. You were a yogi on your previous birth. The little was left for perfection. This will be your last birth." "Yes, I shall teach you yoga." The next morning, Kali bowed down to him. He bowed down to him. The master said to sit on a cot. When he was seated on a lotus posture, the master asked him to stick out his tongue. As soon he did that, he wrote mantram on it and advised him to meditate on Kali, the Divine Mother. He did exactly what he was told to do. Gradually, he lost his outer consciousness and sat down in deep meditation. Kali began to practice spiritual discipline under the guidance of Sri Ramakrishna and through his grace. He was blessed with many wonderful visions of gods and goddesses and divine incarnations of Lord Krishna, Chaitanya. They all merged one by one into luminous form of Sri Ramakrishna. He ran hastened to Dakshineswar and narrated the experiences to the master. To this, Sri Ramakrishna said, "Ah, you have seen Vaikuntha, the abode of Lord Vishnu? Henceforth, you have no longer visions for this. You have risen to the formless state." Sri Ramakrishna was fully convinced that his master, Swami Abhedananda was fully convinced that his master Sri Ramakrishna was the avatar of God. Swami Abhedananda said, "Sri Ramakrishna teach us to chant Hari Bol loudly while clapping our hands." When somebody asked him the reason for clapping our hands, he said, "As the birds of the trees flies away when one claps one's hands loudly, so the sinful thought of a mind goes away when one chants God's name while clapping his hands." He would repeat Hari Bol. He would repeat, O Govinda, O Krishna, you are
वेदांत मठ कोलकाता का महासचिव है और एक वो एडिटर भी है विश्ववाणी मैगजीन का, जो एक मंथली जर्नल है रामकृष्ण वेदांत मठ। उनको सुनकर ऐसा लगा कि आज हमारा दिन धन्य हो गया, हमको लगा। तो महाराज, आपके आदेश लेकर हम आज का ये कार्यक्रम यहाँ पे एंड हुई, ये हम घोषणा करते हैं। थैंक यू टू वन एंड ऑल प्रेजेंट हियर। थैंक यू सो मच।